Welcome back to Beauty by January. Today I'm doing a video on a DIY charcoal face mask. If you want to see how I create this face mask using only 3 ingredients, make sure that you stick around for the video. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading new videos. See you in a minute. So let's get right into it. For the face mask, we're going to be using activated charcoal, and this is the activated charcoal that I have right here. It's called Black Gold Activated Charcoal Powder. I ordered this off of Amazon 6 months ago. It's relatively inexpensive, but the activated charcoal is really good for detoxifying the skin, and there's also a bunch of other uses for it. I haven't tried any of the other stuff yet. I've mainly just been using it for face masks, but it says on the bottle that it can be used to help with gas. It helps with red, painful, or swollen skin, and you can also use it for teeth whitening. So the next thing I'll probably use this for is teeth whitening, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to be using it for the face mask. So I'll put a link in the description. The other thing that I'm going to be using is bentonite clay. Bentonite clay also is multi-purpose, but I use it primarily for face masks. It can also be used for hair masks as well. And the last ingredient is just plain old H2O. And I'm just using bottled water here. And I'm going to mix all of that stuff. The only other thing that you would need to create this mask is a bowl. I'm using a glass bowl right here, a mask brush, and I actually have a couple of different mask brushes just to make the application more easy to apply it. And then I need something, of course, to stir all the ingredients together. So I'm using this little spatula here. And so that's all you need. All right, I've got all of my ingredients in my bowl. I put 1/4 teaspoon of the bentonite clay, 1/4 teaspoon of the activated charcoal, and 1/2 teaspoon of water. And I'm going to just mix it together to create a paste. And once I get the consistency I like, I can begin applying it. Okay, beauty, so I am back with my husband. I'm going to apply the face mask on his face. I'm using him as my test dummy, so to speak. So just going to apply it with the mask brush. And with any mask, you want to avoid putting it on the eyes. He's obviously got a mustache, so I'm not going to put any on his mustache. You don't want to get it in the nose, and you also want to avoid the lips. All right, that looks good. We are going to leave that on for 30 minutes and come back. Now my husband is going to apply the mask to my face. You're getting kind of close to my eye.
Gotta relax.
I'm getting nervous. Okay guys, I am going to let this dry for about 30 minutes and then I will be back. This is what the face mask looks once it's dry. It starts to have more of a grayish tint to it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it now. I'm back and now my husband is going to remove my mask. Kind of rough there. So I'm all done. I've got my face mask removed. I've toned and moisturized my skin, and my skin feels really, really soft to the touch. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my DIY charcoal mask. Let me know if you want to see any more skincare videos in the future. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading new videos. Take care.